Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix black screen on Steam library. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Steam, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing a black screen issue in the Steam library, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix this problem, alright? So number one is, I need you to go to the Steam on the upper left corner, and from here I need you to click on exit, alright? Now once you do that, I need you to go to your start menu and right click on Steam and run as administrator. Alright, what will happen is this will fix the black screen on your Steam library. Now after that, you would be able to see now that there's gonna be no problem when you do that, when you click the run as administrator. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, you might need to update the graphics driver yourself. Now I need you to visit the graphics driver's latest version from the manufacturer's website if you're using AMD or Intel. In my case, I am using NVIDIA, so I went here at the GeForce and I'm just gonna click the Get Game Ready Drivers or Studio Drivers because outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause display issues in games and applications including Steam, alright? Try to restart to see if that works. Now, alternatively, you might want to check community forums such as the Discord server for Steam. As you can see, there are like 107,000 plus members, users that may have encountered similar issues and found solutions on the Discord server on the same case that you are currently experiencing fixing the black screen on Steam library. All you're gonna do is just post a question and one of the active members of 100,000 plus members might give you solutions and insights on how to troubleshoot the black screen on Steam library. Alternatively, again, you can also go to the Steam support, and from here all I have to do is type in your questions regarding about the black screen on Steam library right here. All right, after that, if you're able to get a hold of one of the support staff and get a response by telling them the troubleshooting steps you have already done about fixing the black screen on Steam library. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.